In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PPT from laptop to WhatsApp. By the end, you will be able to share your PowerPoint file straight from your computer in just a few clicks. We will cover two simple methods, using the attach button and using drag and drop. These steps work the same on WhatsApp web in your browser and the WhatsApp desktop app. So use whichever you prefer. First, open WhatsApp on the web or the desktop app. Once you are in, make sure your PowerPoint file is saved somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated Documents folder. Keeping files organized makes this process much faster, especially if you send slides often. Next, open the specific chat where you want to send the PPT. This could be an individual contact or a group. It's helpful to know that sending a presentation as a document preserves the original quality and formatting, so your font's layouts and animations are kept intact for the recipient. For the attach method, look for the small plus icon next to the message text field. On some versions, it may appear as a paperclip, but it's in the same spot by the chat box. Click it, choose Document, then browse to your PPT or PPTX file. Select the file, confirm your choice, and click Send. You will see the document appear in the chat, along with its file name and size. The upload time depends on your internet speed and the file size, so give it a moment to complete. If you prefer drag and drop, resize or minimize your WhatsApp window just enough so you can also see the folder that contains your PPT. With both visible, click and hold your PowerPoint file. Then drag it directly into the chat area. When you release the mouse, WhatsApp will prepare the document for sending. You will see a quick preview with the file name, confirm to send, and you are done. This method is great when the file is already on your screen and you don't want to browse through folders. A couple of practical tips as you send: ensure you have a stable internet connection so the upload doesn't pause. And remember that WhatsApp supports large documents, but very big files can take longer to deliver. If you don't immediately see the plus icon, try expanding the window so the toolbar is fully visible. And that's it. Thanks for watching.